John Deere 4430. Gonna start it up this morning. It's 28 degrees Fahrenheit. The last several days it's been about this. This tractor's not been plugged in. It's not been ran for about 4 or 5 days. It is dirty. It's a manure hauling tractor. It works for a living. We're under a winter storm warning at the moment. Everybody likes cold starts, so we're gonna cold start it. But really, it's not really a cold start. 28 degrees isn't really a cold starting. But we'll fire it up. Just a little bit of throttle, and here we go. That was all done in real time, no editing. The old grill fires right off every time. It has to get about 10 degrees before it wants to hop and pop. But usually we plug them in. But yeah, so that's cold start at 28 degrees for what it's worth. Thanks for watching.